Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Well, technically, it's Thanksgiving weekend, so I just want to share what I did this weekend. I just went to church, and as you can see, heading home, and I I made some turkey. I made sweet yam from scratch, and if you are worried how to cook a turkey this Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving Day is still going to be this Thursday, so hopefully you're going to get some pointers on this herb roasted mayo butter turkey. And I just gave some to my friends and family here in New York, and they say it's very delicious. They didn't know that I have a talent for cooking. Well, I can cook to feed an army, okay? And I love you so, child. So here's the video of what I did this weekend, and have a safe, happy Thanksgiving weekend. Well, it's going to be Thanksgiving, so it's party every day. Thank you. I love you. And kitty cat is off now. Bye. Happy weekend. So this year I decided to make my own herb roasted mayo butter turkey. So you have to prep the turkey and put the butter inside the skin, insert it, and I cut up some apples, celery, carrots, garlic, onion, and yeah, this is going to be our flavor. But I decided I want to use an oven bag this year. I usually do traditional, like no oven bag, but this year I want to just experiment, because they say it makes the turkey moist and delicious, because I'm going to freeze the leftovers. So the bag, or the oven bag, you need to put some flour inside it before you're going to put all these fruits or vegetables, the flavors that you want on your turkeys, as you can see. And then this is how it looks now. And I also added more stuffing like celery, onion, and carrots, and apple, and you can add cloves of garlic inside the turkey, or a stick of butter as well. And this is the tie that comes with the oven bag. You have to just like insert it on the loop, and make sure that the bag doesn't touch the oven, because it says on the instruction on the oven bag. So what I did is I'm going to tie the top ends, so it's going to be really like tuck in there. And yes, so this is how it is now inside the oven. And I am cooking an 8-pound turkey, so it should be like around 3.5 hours on a 350. While the turkey is cooking in the oven, I thought about making my very own version of the candied sweet yam, which is also part of the tradition of the Thanksgiving dinner. So as you can see, I used a medium-sized yam, and I cut it into cubes. I boiled it into 2 cups of water, and I put like 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I added 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, or you can add more if you want it to be sweeter. And I also sprinkled cinnamon powder, or ground cinnamon. So stir it up and we will see. And here is my turkey. So I tried to open the oven bag, because it's been cooking in the oven for 3 hours, and yam in the stovetop and turkey inside the oven. So as you can see, I am basting it because I wanted the skin to be crispy, but this turkey is already cooked. And please do not forget to stir your candied sweet yam, so it's not going to be sticking on the pan. As you can see, it's almost ready. because the water is already evaporating, and yum. And I want the turkey to have a crispy skin, so I turn it up into 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, ta-da! This is my fall off the bone turkey, and moist and juicy and really delicious. And yes, I made it up myself, and this is my herb roasted mayo butter turkey. And look, this is what I am after, like the crispy brown skin. And actually, like, this turkey is very delicious, it's full of the bone. And I'm going to package like in a little container to give out to my friends here in New York City, hopefully. If not, then I'm going to be yum 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 yum. So this is it now. I tried to cut it up and carve it, and it's falling off the bone, and I cooked it for about 3 to 4 hours, and it's really delicious. So the next day, technically this morning, this is what I did, because it's my tradition to give to the homeless people. But I decided to make turkey cranberry sandwich. So as you can see, I use cinnamon raisin bread, and I put some lettuce. I slather cranberry jelly, and I put like the minced turkeys and wrap it up, and it's good to go. It's the thought that counts. Happy Thanksgiving weekend, everyone.